Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: curtain hooks. They might seem like a small detail, but they play a crucial role in achieving that perfect window dressing. So, let's dive right in and explore 5 different types of curtain hooks that will help you achieve the look you desire. 1. Pinch pleat hooks. Our first type of curtain hook is the pinch pleat hook. These are perfect for creating those elegant, classic-looking curtains. They create beautiful pleats that add a touch of sophistication to your window. 2. Clip rings. Next up, we have clip rings. These are incredibly versatile and easy to use. Clip rings work well with both rod pocket and tab top curtains. 3. S-hooks. Now, let's talk about S-hooks. These are great for a rustic or industrial style decor. They are typically used with curtain rods and grommet curtains. 4. Drapery pins. Moving on to drapery pins. These are essential for pleated and lined curtains. They help keep everything in place and maintain the structure. 5. Traverse rod hooks. Lastly, let's talk about traverse rod hooks. These are designed for curtains that open and close automatically with a pull cord. 5 different types of curtain hooks for perfect window dressing. Whether you prefer a classic look, contemporary style, or something in between, there's a curtain hook for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips on home decor.